This is how to link bank account to Bybit. In this video, you are going to learn how to add payment method to your Bybit account. For you to add your bank account so that you can move money from your bank account to Bybit or transfer money from your Bybit account to your local bank account in your country, you come to this place. You tap on P2P Trading, P2P Trading. You come down here, you tap on your profile. You come down, you can see payment method. You tap on payment method. You can see payment method. Look at this plus sign, add a payment method. You tap add a payment method. You see your name, you cannot change that. You can see payment method, you select payment method. Make sure you read this. But what they are saying is that appropriate step is taken to accept banks that is added here. You are going to see list of different banks as acceptable in your country by default, as long as your country is allowed on Bybit as at the time you are trying to add your bank account or payment method on Bybit. All you just need to do is to search your bank. For instance, if I try PalmPay, look at it, this PalmPay. You just select PalmPay and you see it here. Then you key your account number or card number. Then you confirm. With that, you are going to get your bank account detail linked to your Bybit exchange platform. You'll be able to receive funds from your account to Bybit and be able to send and convert crypto from Bybit to your bank account in your country. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, click that notification bell. You get to know as soon as I publish my tutorials like this every week. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.